Emma, can I eat your hand? Huh? Okay. You want me to turn it off? Turn it off. I don't like that very much. It's off. You want to show Grandma how you can hold your frosty in your mouth? Can you hold it? Huh? Where's your hand? There you go. You hold it. There you go. Yay! Say, look at my crazy hair. I had an exorcist moment today, and I threw up all over the place, so I had to have a bath. And this is what my hair looks like after my bath. Yeah. Is it funny? Okay, the only thing is about this passy is that we can't see her cute face. Okay. Is that all we're gonna do? You're a happy girl now. Okay. You say night-night? Night-night. Love you. Bye-bye. You gonna talk? Oh, what? Oh, see, you can't talk with the passy in your mouth. Oh, goodness. You ready? You want to say something else? Hi. Squeaky, big squeakers. There you go. Good girl. You're so smart. You grab your passy and hold it in your mouth all by yourself. Alright, we're going to say goodbye now. Bye-bye.